This is Test 1, Section 3, Question 7 from the College Board's official SAT study guide. As usual, I'm not allowed to reproduce the questions, so you might want to take a look at the question from the book itself. The important part of the question, though, is just the last sentence, which says, which of the following gives P in terms of M, R, and N? Okay, we want P in terms of M, R, and N. So in other words, we just want to solve that equation for P. Before I go ahead and do that, I'm going to start with a couple simpler problems that will give you the idea of how to do this question very quickly. So let's take a simple example like y equals 2/3 x. Suppose we want to solve this for x. If we want to get x by itself, what we're going to do is multiply each side of this equation by the reciprocal of 2/3, which is 3/2. Okay, when you do that, the 2's cancel and the 3's cancel, and you get that x is 3/2 y. Okay. More generally, let's look at the equation y equals a over b x. Here we could just multiply each side of the equation by b over a. And I like to do that a little more quickly by just putting one set of parentheses like that and writing b over a. On the right, the a over b cancels with the b over a, so that you're just left with x. And on the left, you get b over a times y. Okay, so now, using this idea, what I'm going to do is just circle the a and the b in the original question. What I circled up top there, let's call that a, and on the bottom here, we'll call that b, and now it's essentially the same question that I just solved below over here. So in other words, p is just equal to, and we just take this and flip it and bring it over to the other side. And if you compare that with the answer choices, you'll see that the answer is choice B.